To bake a vanilla cake from scratch, first preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius, and coat the bottoms and sides of two 9-inch or 23-centimeter round cake pans with butter. Then, sift 2¼ cups or 290 grams of all-purpose flour with 3½ teaspoons or 14 grams of baking powder and 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of salt in a large bowl. Sifting the dry ingredients together will help make the cake nice and light. In a separate bowl, add 1/2 cup or 115 grams of unsalted room temperature butter and 1½ cups or 300 grams of sugar. Now cream the butter and sugar with a hand mixer for 3 to 5 minutes or until they're well blended. Creaming the butter and sugar will aerate the batter and make the cake light and fluffy. Add 3 room temperature eggs, one at a time, and continue to beat the batter until it's smooth and creamy. Next, gradually add the dry ingredients to the bowl while mixing on low speed. Finish the batter by mixing in 1 1/4 cup or 300 milliliters of whole milk and 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla. Divide the batter evenly between the cake pans, then drop the pans on a hard surface to get rid of any air bubbles. Finally, bake the cakes for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool for 15 minutes before removing them from the pans, and make sure they are completely cool before adding any frosting.